So guys, I bought my wallpaper today, and then I'll be applying it to this side of the wall today. Let's see how the wall is in a mess, like it's not looking good. So today I'll be applying this wallpaper, just one on this wall today. So at the end I'll be showing you how it looks. So this is how it looks before I'm starting the way, and after I'm complete, or after I'm done, I'll show you how it looks on the wall.
So this is the starch preparation. So actually it's advisable you add the starch powder to the water, not the water to the starch powder, so you can see the quantity to use.
So this is after I'm done with the first one. So now we are moving to the second lane. I'm moving to the second lane. Sorry, I didn't talk about how to apply the glue, so that is all I did.
And this is how I demarcate the wall before applying the glue. So after I was done with the first one, I realized that one won't be enough for a full wall, so I went in to buy a new one for the rest of the wall. So this is the beautiful view after I'm done. Actually, this is my first time doing this, so it took me about 6 to 7 hours before I was able to complete this. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notification for more content. Catch you up in my next upload.